It's hard to truly grasp just how big the universe really is. Our minds aren't built to handle scales that stretch across billions of light years. When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing only a tiny sliver of what's out there. But thanks to modern technology, especially the James Webb Space Telescope, we're now peering deeper into the cosmos than ever before. This incredible observatory is showing us galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, and it's helping us rewrite what we thought we knew about the early universe. Renowned scientists like Brian Cox have tried to make sense of this vastness for the rest of us. They use comparisons, models, and analogies to help paint a picture, but even then, the true scale of the cosmos remains almost beyond comprehension. We're not just talking about billions of stars, we're talking about billions of galaxies, each one containing billions of stars of their own, with possibly trillions of planets orbiting them. It's a staggering reality. And yet, somehow, against all odds, we're here, tiny conscious beings on a small blue planet, trying to understand it all. Based on what we've observed, scientists estimate there are about 2 trillion galaxies out there. But even that might just be the beginning. Many believe the visible universe is only a tiny slice of something far greater, maybe even infinite. And what's wild? We're a part of it. In a way, the universe is becoming aware of itself through us, as we explore and ask questions. Let's try to put things into perspective. If you drove around Earth's equator at 70 miles per hour, it'd take about 15 days. To reach the moon at that speed, about 5 months. Mars would take you around 63 years. Neptune, a mind-blowing 4,400 years. That's just our solar system. Now, consider Voyager 1, a probe launched in 1977. It's been traveling at 38,000 miles per hour and only exited our solar system in 2012, after 35 years. Even light, which travels fast enough to circle Earth 7 times a second, seems slow compared to the size of the cosmos. Our solar system is just a dot in the Milky Way, which contains around 300 billion stars, many with their own planets. Our nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is 4.3 light-years away. Light takes over 4 years to reach it, and at Voyager's speed, it would take 70,000 years. Now zoom out. The Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor, is 2.5 million light-years away and contains about 1 trillion stars. It's moving toward us and will one day collide with the Milky Way, though the chance of stars actually hitting each other is tiny due to the vast distances between them. Beyond Andromeda is a cosmic network, the local group of galaxies, the Virgo cluster with over 1,500 galaxies, and even larger structures like the Laniakea supercluster, home to nearly 100,000 galaxies. Scientists think there may be around 10 million superclusters in the observable universe alone. Then there's the cosmic microwave background, the faint light from the Big Bang. It's the oldest light we can detect, giving us a snapshot of the universe's infancy. Between galaxies, we also find enormous voids, regions that seem empty but may one day form new galaxies. And stretching across billions of light-years are cosmic filaments, threads of gas, dust, and dark matter holding the universe together in a massive web. The universe is constantly changing. Stars explode in supernovas, black holes shape galaxies, and quasars, massive black holes devouring matter, shoot out incredible jets of energy. And here's a twist. The universe is expanding so fast that some galaxies' light will never reach us. We'll never see them. Current models suggest the whole universe may be at least 250 times larger than what we can observe, or even endless. The concepts of dark matter and dark energy present intriguing enigmas, constituting approximately 95% of the universe's composition. Although these elements remain undetectable by conventional means, their presence is inferred through their influence on galaxies and the fabric of space. Notably, dark energy is a significant factor propelling the accelerated expansion of the universe. Stars play a huge role in this cosmic story. They live, die, and spread essential elements, like the ones that make up planets and life itself. Without stars, there would be no Earth, no us. With the James Webb Space Telescope and other future tools, we're peeling back the layers of the cosmos. Every discovery helps us understand not just where we are, but who we are. So, what's next? Will we explore other planets? Will we ever leave our galaxy? We don't know yet. But the search continues. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities. And here at Waves Discovery, we'll keep diving into it, one story at a time. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, liking, and turning on notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next space ride.